This is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today I want to talk about my favorite momentum stocks for this week. If you're interested in learning trading strategies that work in today's difficult markets, or you just want to see what I'm trading or investing in, be sure to hit that subscribe button. So we're still in the most bullish part of the year, which really runs from about Halloween through the beginning of May. It's you buy at Halloween and then you sell in May and go away is the old expression. The S&P 500 is holding well. If you've been following my channel, you know we like to see the stock or index trading above the blue line, which is the 50-day moving average, and the blue line above the red line, which is the 200-day moving average. This is how we define an uptrend. And so if we look at the S&P 500, it's still in a nice smooth uptrend, slowing down a little bit. What we are seeing, though, is more speculative growth stocks pulling back. We're seeing sort of a market rotation. The QQQs, which are all the big NASDAQ stocks, the 100 stocks or 105 stocks, it now just closed below the 50-day moving average. It's sort of chopping around there, and so not showing as much strength as it was before. In addition to that, we're seeing real pullbacks in the growth stock area. So the ARK ETF trading below the 50-day moving average. That's ARKK. Cathie Wood's ETF has pulled back. QS, another speculative name, QuantumScape, really had a big pullback. Space, SPCE, Virgin Galactic, also below the 50-day moving average. So we can see that this rotation's been going on out of growth stocks and tech stocks and really into some unusual sectors, at least sectors that have been underperforming. XLE has been performing really well now for the last few weeks. This is the energy ETF. It's mostly ExxonMobil and Chevron. It's been moving up along with oil prices, along with XLF. These are both sectors in the S&P 500. We have the energy sector, and this is, of course, the finance and banking sector doing really well. And so I've been focusing more on these, I would say, more industrial names as well as banking names. We talked about this, I believe we talked about Goldman Sachs last time. This looks to me like it could go a lot higher. GS is the ticker, sort of consolidating here, but looking to break out from these levels. Couple sort of old economy names. ODFL. This is a new one. This is transportation, trucking, looking really well. It's been in a consolidation period and still trading above the 50-day moving average, but it looks like it's breaking above that. So that's a good looking name. Another one we've talked about before, SNBR. This is, of course, the bedding company, Sleep Number, that makes the adjustable firmness mattresses. Sleep Number Corporation, SNBR, been breaking out really nicely. If you're a Trader University subscriber, we've been long this one for a while. U-Haul, obviously a well-known name in rental trucks and also leasing, pulling away really well and correlating well with the XLF. Couple names from the last time we did this. EPAM pulled back, really tested the 50-day moving average, and now looks like it's ready to move higher after a breather. This happens to be a tech company, one of the stronger tech companies, along with Zebra, ZBRA. Been consolidating around the 500 level, but definitely a really nice looking chart. And this is one that's holding well, even though other growth names are pulling back. Twitter, we've been long for a while, breaking out after its last earnings and pulling back a little bit here, but this is a name that I really like as they continue to revamp their business position. They may even be looking to buy some Bitcoin for their balance sheet as well. What else do we have? The gaming stocks have been really strong, maybe anticipating opening up, or just the really bubbly environment that we're in, where people are not just gambling on stocks in the Robinhood account or Wall Street Bets, but they also want to go to casinos to the extent that they're open in their local area. Las Vegas Sands, LVS, in a sideways motion here, but looks like it's setting up for a nice breakout. Wynn, of course, Wynn Resorts, WYNN, very similar similar chart sideways. This one I would actually wait to buy on a new breakout, a new closing high. So a close above 136.48. Penn is another one we've talked about, I believe, last time, also in a sideways range, but I think could have another leg up. And BYD is a new one. Boyd Gaming breaking out really, really nicely here and holding what used to be a resistance level, the $60 a share, has now really become support. So that's a decent place to put a stop loss level as well. INMD is another one in the medical space. It's been consolidating really for most of February and now breaking out to new highs. Really good looking chart. And on all of these, you of course have to think about where to put your stop loss level. You can have the stop loss level a little further away. You can have it at the 50-day moving average, in which case you'll want to have a slightly smaller position sizing. So you're risking all the way down to here, or you can have a tighter stop with a larger position. In this case, I would say the 68 level looks like reasonable support that should hold. If you want an even tighter stop, the resistance that's now become support at 72 is a good place to put that. I talk a lot more about this in my courses, position sizing and other forms of risk management. SYNA. This is a semiconductor company, and like the whole semi space, has been quite strong. We've been long a number of these names at Trader University Premium. This one seems to have the best chart and looks like it's looking to break out here after consolidating in some sideways motion for the past couple weeks. FIX, another industrial company, Comfort Systems, also breaking out here of this range. It's been trading in a range between 60 and call it 60, 65, 66, and it's now looks like it wants to break out of this range. Really good looking chart as well. It's been consolidating, but looking for a breakout at this level. So very interesting rotation we're seeing here into things like the gaming stocks, some of the more old economy stocks, industrial stocks, as well as financial companies like Goldman Sachs. If you'd like to get the full list of my momentum stocks, I'd encourage you to subscribe to Trader University Premium. This is basically the list that's a copy of the pad of paper that I have on my desk. And whenever I have some time to do a day trade or a swing trade or even a position trade or longer term investment, this is my go-to list. This is the list of stocks that I fish in. And I'm constantly updating it once or twice a week. So if you want to get insight into this, I would recommend that you subscribe. In addition, your subscription will get you access to all of my courses. So if you really know nothing about trading stocks and want to get up to speed and learn how professional stock traders trade and invest, I'd encourage you to start with my flagship course, which is Learn to Trade Stocks Like a Pro, help you find the right broker, get set up with your charts, learn terminology like bid, ask, and level 2 quotes, and how to use all the various indicators, moving averages, VWAP, etc. If you're a little more advanced, I'd recommend my Momentum Stocks Secrets course. This is the most advanced course that I have, using some very advanced indicators. As well as my course on day trading. I have a course on how to really leverage your momentum trading using options. Learn to trade options like a pro. Of course, my list of momentum stocks. And then another options course, swing trading with options, as well as a course on futures as well. So if this is something that interests you, you get access to everything for the same low price, all 15 courses, including my list of momentum stocks. If you want to get access to this, just click on the link in the description notes below. It will take you to this page. You can click on any of these boxes and see the full list of lectures for each course. And then if you scroll down, you want to just click right here where it says Get It Now. That will take you to the checkout page. Now, normally access to everything, all 15 courses, including my list of momentum stocks, just $125 for 30 days access. But because you've listened this far, I'd like to give you a discount code. If you scroll down here to where it says have a coupon code and type in capital YT, as in YouTube, 99, click update. That'll take $26 off the price. You get access to everything for just $99. You can watch all the courses in your first month, cancel, and you won't be charged again. There are no long-term contracts or anything like that. If there's something that's missing that you'd like to learn about, you can contact me as a Trader University Premium subscriber. Let me know what you'd like to see, and I'll make a whole new course or a whole new lecture for you. Share it with everyone, of course, on the website. Share it with all the subscribers. And in this way, I hope to really grow this as the best trading and investing resource on the internet. This is really the kind of website that I wish I had had access to when I was first learning how to trade in the mid-1990s. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe and like button. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I publish my next video. And let me know your questions and comments in the comment section below. If you have some momentum names that you're watching or trading, be sure to drop those names in the comments too. And in this way, we can really share our best trading ideas in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.